Yo, yo, I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it, fuse like a magnet. Lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If the shit tastes sour, you should taste mine. I'ma stay in power for a long time. Get up, nah, I ain't a quitter. Toss me the ball, I'm a really big hitter. Big picture, I'm a straight killer. Rising the song to the highest bidder. Got juice, got gas, I'ma move fast. New shoes, new tracks, like who's that? I'm new, come back, better than last. Yeah, it's a new me, never gonna look back. I'm never gonna look back. Cause damn, I was built to last. You move slow and I move fast, and that's facts. Only I can make a change. Slowly take a step today. I will never be the same. Cause that's what it takes. Pieces is a form of art. I'm never gonna look back. Cause damn, I was built to last. You move slow and I move fast, and that's facts. Only I can make a change. Slowly take a step today. I will never be the same. Cause that's what it takes.
Ano magkasya?
Wow, Lenny!
Sana magkasya.
Elegant!
Elegance from Ate Mel.
Wow!
Dapat pala lumalapit ang ano.
Wala na.
Wala na muna.
Wow! Video! Tatlo na rin nagbibidyo ngayon.
Saan yung atin? Atin, nasan yung atin? Andiyan na? Ayan, bali. Ayan, meron pa, may pula pa.
Wow, drone. Pakaya kay bro.
Drone!
Mag-aalak sila ni Drone.
Ano yan? Sweet honesty? Far away?
Ayun kay Agni. Ba't malapan?
Nandun sa sapatos.
Carolina Carrera. Carolina.
It's a prank pala. It's a prank.
Pajam. Hanger. May hanger pa.
Ani mo.
Wala na lang dito.
Bili natin.
Why? Yandra!
Wow, Bibi Pink!
Wow! Meron pa, meron pa. Wow! Wow!
Necklace yun eh. Alam mo, mismo na yan, necklace eh. Bracelet pala eh.
Thank you sa gift.
Hindi necklace. Hindi bro, necklace eh. Yan pa. May isa pa.
Oy, paro-paro yan.
Kailangan ng champion to.
Wow!
Kala ko na.
Wow!
Yan! Mapatay!
Ilulungan ka pa. Wow!
Sana all.
Oh, wala na ba? Baka may pahabol pa kayo.
Sana all.
Ito regalo kasi yun.
Thank you.
Bahala ka magpalaki dyan. Lahat.
Sa'yo na yan. Nakasimangot na naman. Tahimik nga lang siya, hindi siya umiyak eh. Wow!
Ngayon naman, kami pinasayaw mo.
Oh.
Lahat mga sayaw. Dahil sa birthday mo, ikaw naman yung sasayaw. Yeah! Yan, ikaw naman sasayaw. Kanina kami sumayaw. Ngayon, ikaw sasayaw.
Akin na.
Grabe naman ito. Masok na naman. Sana na ito. Pinipili sa'yo. Kakanta siya. Sasayaw, di ba?
May dumating.
Ano? Kakanta? Ito na po siya magpapasalamat.
Ano yan, Ninang? Kain na. Ah, wala ka naman kaya nabalot na nabalot na gaya. Wala na. Baka yan. Ay, Marcel! Huwag mo nang magbalot. Gusto mo